Three easy curly hairstyles that you can do with your own hands. Not every day you feel like keeping your hair open. Sometimes it's too hot and sometimes you just don't feel like it. So today I'll be using three basic things to style my hair, so for the first hairstyle I'll be using this scrunchie. Partition preference is yours. You can either keep it in the center or on the side, or you can keep a full pull back hairstyle. I'll take the crown section, okay, separate it from here, take some section from the sides, try to keep it as neat as possible. So here there are two choices. Either you can keep it a full pull back or you can pull out a fringe from here. Yeah, I'm comfortable with this piece, so we'll keep it here. And so here's this section in my hand which I'll be tying with the scrunchie. Just a regular ponytail. Make it fluffier. Now here what you can do is, either you can keep it flat or you can just pull out a few strings here and there and make it a bit fluffier. I'll show you from the back side. We can keep one section in the front or we can keep the whole hair back. So coming on to the second hairstyle, I'll be using this clip. Let's get started. I'll just roughly take a partition with my hands. I don't mind if the partition is a bit crooked here and there because that's okay. We'll take a few section from here. I won't take this part, okay? I won't pull the hair from here. I'm taking the section which is near my ear. So let's take the section from both the sides. For this hairstyle, we'll also be needing a few bobby pins, okay? Let's repeat the same from this side. These are very small sections, as you can see. This is the amount of section I'm taking. Just take it, pull back. It depends on you and your choice if you want to keep the side pieces out. For this one, I am preferring to keep it completely back. Now I'll show you the back side what I'll be doing. I just put these two pieces crisscross. Okay, so I'm just crisscrossing these two pieces. Okay, I'll hold it in place. I'll be using these bobby pins. Okay, this is the second one. I'll place it here. So now these are secure with these two pins. I don't think I need more of it. So these two are enough for my hair. And the next thing, I'll be placing this clip above those pins. So this is the inside of the clip. See, it's that simple. So this is the front side, okay? This is how it will look. This is like something you can also use for your traditional wear outfits. You can just use a different accessory, which something like, you know, traditional outfits पे use करते हैं वैसा वाला. And बाकी तो this will look nice anyhow. I know it's too simple, but then something which can also not cover your face, but also keep it elegant at the same time. I preferred it to be completely back, but now I'll show you how it will look if I'll keep the front pieces out. I can just directly pull it out. That's what I'm doing here. I'll just directly pull out these two small strands and it's done. So for the third hairstyle, again I'll be going with a middle partition. It's very cute, it's very simple. Just take these few section of your hair from both the sides, okay? The angle of the hair depends on you. People keep it here as well, or you can keep it here, okay? I prefer it keeping here while maintaining the middle partition, okay? Or you can just twist it twice. I'm using this clip, okay? It's a very simple, cute little clip. So I'll use this and just pin it here. Okay. I'll show you with a different clip as well. So this is one of those clips, okay? See this? Huh. So I'll also put this and I'll show you. Have a look. It's very cute, very simple, yet it looks really neat. You can keep one side of your hair in the front, or when you take these two strands, just twist one. Once you're done twisting, use this clip and place it here. I'll do the second one. I've twisted it and I'm placing it here. See? Want more such videos? Then like and subscribe all around Neha. See you soon. Want more such videos? Then like and subscribe all around Neha. नहीं नेहा रुक 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 रुक